and welcome back to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite dishes, which is a Parsi Dhansak. So today I'm going to be showing you the veg Parsi Dhansak, which is a really healthy dal which has got a lot of veggies in it, and it's really delicious with a hot bowl of steamed rice and some pickle or papad at the side. It's an ideal meal. So without much further ado, let's jump straight ahead into the recipe and I'll meet you at the end of the video.
So let's start making this delicious dhansak. Now here I've taken half a cup of tur dal and half a cup of moong dal as well. Now you can also add masoor dal, another half cup, but I will be skipping that. So now I've washed the dal really well and I'm going to soak it in 2 cups of water. We are also going to be adding 1/4 cup of chopped methi or fenugreek leaves, 1/4 cup of red pumpkin or bhopla cubed, 1 small tomato cubed, and 1 medium sized potato peeled and cubed. So we're going to add all of this to the dal, mix it really well, and then we're going to pressure cook it in our pressure pan. So add water to your pressure pan, mix all of this together in the bowl, and then you're going to pressure cook this for 1 whistle on high, and then you're going to simmer this for 12 minutes, and then let the cooker cool completely. So here's the first whistle, and then you're going to simmer it, that is put it on slow fire for 12 minutes, and then let your cooker cool completely. Now while the thing is cooking in the cooker, the dal, I'm going to take 1 cup of hot water or half a cup of hot water, and I'm going to add a lime sized ball of tamarind. Let it sit in the hot water for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now we're going to make the dhansak masala paste. So we require a few spices. So here we have 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. This is half an inch of cinnamon or dalchini, 4 cloves or lavang. This is 1 inch of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic, 2 green chilies and 4 dried red chilies. So we're going to grind all of this with about 4 tablespoons of water, and this is our dhansak paste ready. Now we're just going to squeeze out the pulp of the tamarind with our fingertips like this, and our tamarind pulp is ready. Now I've taken out the dal from the cooker and I've taken out the potatoes. So you take out the potato pieces, and for the rest of the dal I'm just going to use a masher, and we're going to mash this really well so that everything, all the tomatoes, the pumpkin, the methi, everything comes together really well. So take your time with it and really mash it up well. So now the dal is also ready. So I've taken my pot and I'm adding 5 teaspoons of ghee. Now once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add 1 small onion that I've chopped fine. We're going to fry this onion till it's nice and translucent. Then I'm going to add this masala paste, the dhansak paste that we made. And we're going to fry the paste really well. Now I'm adding just 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Again, mix everything really well. Now we're going to add this dal that we have cooked. So I've just used tur dal and moong dal, but you can also add masoor dal in the same quantity. Mix everything really well. Now dhansak is generally on the thicker side, but now I'm going to add the tamarind pulp. Then I'm going to add some salt to taste. And I'm going to add just 1/4 cup of water. That is the masala, which was there in the bowl. I just took some water, added it, and I'm going to add it to this dal vessel and add that. So if you want it to be a more thinner consistency, you can add some more water. But dhansak is generally a thicker, consistency. Now I'm going to add my potatoes back to the dal. We're going to cover this and simmer this for about 5 minutes. And our lovely veg dhansak is all ready.
So friends, did you like that recipe? I'm sure you're going to try it out. But I have made a few alterations in the recipe. So the traditional Dhansak recipe has three types of dals. You have masoor dal, you have moong dal, and you have tur dal. Now I have skipped the masoor dal because generally I don't like to use masoor dal in my cooking, so I don't generally use masoor dal. But if you want, you can add an equal quantity of masoor dal along with the tur dal and the moong dal. And another thing is I've added just vegetables which I like, which my family will eat. Otherwise, in addition, they also add small brinjals and other little vegetables, but I have just stuck to the basic. So this is a very tasty dal, and I hope you give it a try. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope you like the recipe. Do give it a thumbs up, that helps me a lot. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share my videos, go and check out my channel. I have loads and loads of recipes. So thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. This is Akshita signing off. Take care of yourselves, be loving and kind to one another, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.